I've been exploring the Verizon Content Transfer app for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the same. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of this mobile app. Verizon Content Transfer is a free app designed to help you move your contacts and other personal data from an old phone to a new one, even across different platforms, without extra cables or services. It is mainly aimed at people upgrading their phones who want a simple, one-time transfer solution. The core features focus on copying contacts, messages, photos, videos, calendars, and reminders from one device to another by installing the app on both phones and connecting them, typically by scanning a QR code. This setup lets you see the transfer progress on screen and can be handy when you want to walk out of the store or a friend's house with your new phone ready to use. However, it is not without flaws. Some users praise it as quick and reliable, saying it solved problems that other carrier apps could not, especially for transferring contacts between iPhones. At the same time, a smaller but important number of reviewers report issues such as partial transfers, dependence on a good Wi-Fi connection, and situations where they still needed help from an Apple Store or other support to finish setting up their phone. Overall, Verizon Content Transfer is a solid choice if you value a straightforward, free way to move your basic data during an upgrade and do not mind relying on Wi-Fi and a one-time process. If you expect flawless transfers of every app and setting, or you have accessibility needs and limited support around you, you may want to treat this as a starting point rather than your only solution. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.